Good morning. Today is November the 5th, 2011. This is Jason Scott with an update on your national and regional forecast. Taking a look at the west, a pair of storms will impact the west today. Storm number 1 will bring rain and snow from Montana, eastern part of Arizona, and western New Mexico. Snowfall of 1 to 6 inches possible in the valley locations, with 6 to 18 inches possible in the mountain regions. The heaviest snowfall, however, will be over the western mountains of Colorado. Strong winds will be produced by the storm and be felt in parts of Utah, Arizona, New Mexico, and Colorado with sustained winds of 15 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 to 60 miles per hour forecast. Storm number 2 will produce rain and snow over the western part of Washington through northern California. The storm could bring 6 to 18 inches of snowfall in the mountains of western part of Washington state to northern California. High temperatures will range from the 30s and 40s over most of the interior sections and 60s over southern California and the deserts. Moving to the south, a storm that moved off the southeast coast on Friday slowly pushes east of the Bahamas over this weekend. Winds will remain strong over the eastern part of North Carolina and South Carolina and eastern part of the Florida area with gusts to occasionally 40 miles per hour today. The strong winds created rough seas and rip currents over North Carolina and the eastern part of Florida. A few showers may drift from the ocean into eastern part of Florida today. Strong winds will develop across Oklahoma and northwest Texas as the storm in the Rockies begins to move to the east. Sustained winds of 15 to 30 miles per hour with gusts of 50 miles per hour are possible in Oklahoma and northwest Texas. It will be sunny and pleasant over the southern part of Texas through the southeast. Highs will range from the 50s in North Carolina to the lower 80s over southern Texas. Now over the Midwest, a storm system moving through the Rockies starts to kick up a few gusts of wind across the plains in the upper Midwest. Sustained winds of 15 to 30 miles per hour with gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour forecast from Kansas to the Dakotas and Minnesota. Rain and snow showers will move over the western part of the Dakotas and western Nebraska from the Rockies. A cold air rushes in tonight and rain will be mixing with the precipitation and changing over to snow from the central part of the Dakotas and westward. Snow accumulations of 1 to 3 inches are possible by Sunday morning over western part of the Dakotas. It will be dry and temperatures will be close to early November averages over the Great Lakes, Ohio Valley. Highs will range from the 40s over western part of the Dakotas to near 70 from the southern part of Kansas to Kentucky. Taking a look at the Northeast today, it will be sunny and cool for most of the region with high pressure that dominates that region. Skies will be only cloudy skies with gusty winds expected over the southeast part of Virginia from the ocean storm developing over the southeast coast. Sustained winds of 15 to 25 miles per hour with a few gusts of 40 miles per hour are possible. High temperatures will reach the 40s and lower 50s in New York and New England, and high will climb into the 50s over parts of the Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Delaware, Maryland, and West Virginia. And parts of the Virginia area could see temperatures as warm as the lower 60s, which is not too warm. That's a look at your latest on your national weather forecast for the region, and we'll keep you posted right here at Extreme Storm Central, so stay with us.